Okay, friends, we're here again on 9329 Loggerhead Way. This is the smallest of the Coventry houses. This is 1765 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's all on one story. It's all first entry, 0 step. This is the main hall going into the living room. You have the master here, coat closet. Then you have 2 bedrooms and a bath over here. These bedrooms are about the same size. They both have a closet. This house doesn't really give you room for an office, but you could definitely use one of these bedrooms as an office without any problem. Closet. And this is the main entrance. All 3 bedrooms are at the front of the house. So you have the master here. Obviously this is still under construction because you don't have any mirrors and they haven't finished the shower, but you have a double vanity here. You have the water closet there. And then you got a good looking master closet. They're using dowel rods for their coat hangers, and I like those a lot. They'll put in glass shelving around this shower. This comes back into the master. This is the entranceway. There's the front door. And then this walks down the hall. You've got a living area here. Mount your TV over the fireplace if you want. You could have a kitchen table there. Kitchen looks good. You have 1 pantry there. That'd be the refrigerator, stove, good looking hood vent, microwave. Then you've got another pantry / storage closet here. And then this is where your laundry room is. It's got a folding shelf here. I like that a lot. This is the garage, 2-car garage. This again is 9329 Loggerhead Way, 1,765 square feet.